Welcome to this exciting video where we will be diving deep into a remarkable product that can help you take control of your blood sugar levels and achieve the balance your body needs. If you've struggled with fluctuating blood sugar levels or found it difficult to lose weight, Gluco Care is the natural solution you've been searching for. In this video, we will explore everything you need to know about this amazing product, its ingredients, how it works, and its numerous benefits. Let's begin our journey together and discover how this natural supplement can change your life. The story begins with a wedding anniversary dinner. A person who had been struggling with blood sugar issues felt constantly fatigued and found it difficult to maintain a healthy weight. During that special dinner, they decided to find a way to improve their health without relying on harsh medications or restrictive diets. What they discovered was an ancient solution, an Indian herb that has been used for centuries to support healthy blood sugar levels. Combining this herb with modern science led to the creation of Gluco Care. What makes Gluco Care stand out is its powerful natural ingredients. It contains an ancient Indian herb known for its ability to regulate blood sugar levels effectively. Additionally, it includes components that help reduce excess body fat naturally and improve the pancreas's ability to release insulin properly. All of these ingredients work synergistically to help your body flush out excess sugar, allowing you to live a healthier, more balanced life. Key ingredients in Gluco Care. Let's take a closer look at the ingredients of this product. First, Gluco Care contains the Indian herb, which is one of the ancient secrets of natural health. This herb has remarkable properties that help regulate blood sugar levels. Researchers have studied its effects and found that it has unique qualities that help reduce excess sugar in the bloodstream by promoting better insulin secretion from the pancreas. In addition, the product contains other beneficial ingredients such as cinnamon extract and ginger, which support overall body balance. Cinnamon, in particular, enhances insulin sensitivity, while ginger is known for boosting metabolism and helping the body burn fat more efficiently. How does Gluco Care work in the body? When you take this supplement, it helps activate the cells in your pancreas responsible for releasing insulin. Insulin is the hormone that regulates blood sugar levels. When insulin production is balanced, it helps keep blood sugar stable throughout the day. Additionally, Gluco Care helps eliminate excess sugar from the bloodstream, reducing blood sugar fluctuations and keeping you feeling energetic all day long. Let's take a look at the main benefits you'll experience with Gluco Care. Balanced blood sugar levels. It helps keep blood sugar levels stable throughout the day. Natural weight loss. Helps flush out excess fat without the need for strict dieting. Increased energy levels. You will feel more energized and active throughout the day. Overall, health improvement. Over time, you'll notice an improvement in your general health, with visible physical transformations. Results without restrictions. You can enjoy life without worrying about strict diets or relying on medications. Frequently asked questions. Let's address some common questions you may have about this product. Is Gluco Care suitable for all ages? Yes, it can be used by adults who struggle with blood sugar regulation, but it's always best to consult with your doctor before starting any new supplement, especially if you have a specific health condition. Are there any side effects? Gluco Care is a natural supplement with a safe and effective formula. However, it's important to consult your healthcare provider before using any new product to ensure it's right for you. How does it compare to other supplements? Many blood sugar supplements rely on synthetic or chemical ingredients. What sets Gluco Care apart is its commitment to using 100% natural, safe ingredients, making it the best option for those seeking a natural way to regulate blood sugar levels. How to use Gluco Care? Using Gluco Care is simple. All you need to do is take the recommended daily dose with your meals. You'll start to notice improvements in your energy levels and blood sugar management within a short period of consistent use. For best results, it's recommended to continue taking Gluco Care over time. If you're looking for a natural and safe way to manage your blood sugar levels and lose weight, Gluco Care is the perfect solution for you. Give it a try today and experience a healthier, more energetic life. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tips and natural products that can improve your life. Leave me your questions or comments if you've tried Gluco Care, and I'll be happy to help. Thank you for watching, and I wish you good health and a life full of energy. Call to action. Are you struggling to regulate your blood sugar levels? How do you manage it? Share your experience in the comments below. Have you ever tried natural supplements? What were the results? Let us know in the comments. You can now get Gluco Care through the link in the description below. Don't miss out. Start improving your health today.